And then the age. I don't know. If you have to have a phone, you have to be of a particular age. So I don't know how you will say that a 6-month-old child is able to borrow. I don't know how the 6-month child got a phone. And that phone is in the name of that child. Because if you have to have a phone in this country, you have to register that number. And to register that number, you must have an ID. So when you have an ID, you are assumed you are 18 years and above, 18 or above. So this issue that the facility is accessible by the underage, I don't know how they will have that's another question I can ask you. This facility, you borrow at 8% per annum. There is no borrowing in this country that you will pay such a percentage. This is the lowest in the market, and you can confirm. Our other lowest is Kenya Industrial Estate, KIE, which charges 10%. 9% comes in only when you default. It's when now it moves from 8% to 9%.
9.5%.
9.5%. It's when it moves 9.5%. But so long as you repay within the specified period, it remains 8%. The default rate, which we know, is about 20%. And we have said clearly that the money that was borrowed initially is where we had the highest default rate. And because they took the first 2 months, they might be right. But I have told you that things have since changed over the last 3 years. Now the default rate is about 20%. And it is one of the best now. Sana, mkitaka mjue mambo mengi kwa hii fund, nitamkaribisha hapa tuongee vile tumeongea leo, lakini sisi na watu wa mambo wazi. Tuongee yale mabaya tunasema ni mabaya, yale mazuri tunasema ni mazuri. Lakini nataka mkitoka hapa mjue this fund is accessible to everybody, including myself. I access it sometimes when I need. Unajua sisi mambo yetu ni mengi.